Discover the top 10 best plastic surgery hospitals in India with this comprehensive video. Explore costs, treatments, success rates, types, and trust factors to help you make an informed decision. Get answers to frequently asked questions about plastic surgery in India. Are you considering plastic surgery in India but unsure where to start? Look no further. In this video, we will explore the top 10 best plastic surgery hospitals in India and frequently asked questions in the healthcare industry. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon offers premium plastic surgery services with flexible payment options. Specializing in both cosmetic and reconstructive surgery, Medanta offers a diverse range of procedures. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon offers competitive pricing for a wide range of plastic surgery procedures. From rhinoplasty to breast augmentation, Fortis Hospital provides comprehensive plastic surgery services. Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, New Delhi is known for its transparent pricing and affordable packages for plastic surgery. From facelifts to liposuction, Apollo provides personalized treatment plans tailored to each patient's needs. Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon provides competitive pricing for a wide range of cosmetic and reconstructive surgeries. With a team of skilled plastic surgeons, Artemis Hospital offers top-notch surgical and non-surgical procedures. Max Super Speciality Hospital, Delhi offers affordable plastic surgery packages with transparent pricing. Known for its expertise in cosmetic and reconstructive surgery, Max Super Speciality Hospital delivers exceptional results. Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad offers competitive pricing for plastic surgery procedures. With a focus on patient safety and satisfaction, Yashoda Hospitals provides comprehensive plastic surgery services. BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital, Delhi offers affordable plastic surgery packages tailored to each patient's needs. Specializing in cosmetic and reconstructive surgery, BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital delivers personalized treatment plans for optimal results. Aster Medcity, Kochi is known for its cost-effective plastic surgery procedures without compromising on quality. With a focus on innovation, Aster Medcity offers advanced plastic surgery treatments using the latest technology. Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai provides cost-effective plastic surgery solutions without compromising on quality. With a team of skilled plastic surgeons, Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital offers a wide range of cosmetic and reconstructive procedures. Manipal Hospital, Bangalore provides cost-effective plastic surgery solutions tailored to each patient's budget. With a multidisciplinary team of plastic surgeons, Manipal Hospital offers a wide range of surgical and non-surgical options. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. What are the most common plastic surgery procedures in India? The most common plastic surgery procedures in India include rhinoplasty, breast augmentation, liposuction, facelift, and tummy tuck. How much does plastic surgery cost in India? The cost of plastic surgery in India varies depending on the type of procedure, hospital, and surgeon. On average, prices for popular procedures range from $2,000 to $8,000. What are the factors to consider when choosing a plastic surgery hospital in India? When selecting a plastic surgery hospital in India, consider factors such as the hospital's reputation, experience of the surgeons, success rates, facilities, and patient reviews. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in plastic surgery in India. WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.